and it's a great way to start your day, because when you feel good about yourself,
yes,
your immune system is on.
yes.
When you feel bad about yourself, your immune system is down. Okay?
Yes.
So there's something called the limbic system. The limbic system says, I'm warm, I'm dry, I'm full, I like myself, and I'm sexy. And if any of those things are not true, then we want a candy, a gum, a chocolate, a cigarette, a beer, a wine. I want to shop. I want to, so we're looking outside of us for something to make us feel good on the inside. And all you got to do is turn on your favorite jam and just boogie for 20, 30 minutes, and you're going to feel better.
Drivers to us are just people who are seeking to improve their life, especially with what's going on with COVID-19. Everyone's in quarantine. Like, I guess, what would be your 3 best tips to stay well, healthy, mind, body, spirit?
Well, number 1 is to stay hydrated.
Yeah.
Number 2 is be happy. And the best way to be happy is to dance.
Yes.
Okay. So you guys don't have access to the ocean in Montreal.
Nope.
So you can't swim. So Qigong is your only option.
Do you think that swimming and Qigong has similar benefits in that sense?
Yeah, swimming, dance, sex, and Qigong in that order.
Boom.
Okay.
We got it.
You got it?
We're on it.